Island, Pangasinan!
As the sun descends into the horizons, shadows appear over the bustling streets, a transformation. The once quiet lanes become alive with vibrant colors as stalls selling food, clothes, and children's toys brim in. Welcome to Lingayen's exquisite Baywalk.
Maganda po yung view niya, tapos po madami pong mapapasyalan ko katulad ng dagat. Pag nai-stress, pwede pong punta dito. Daming pailaw. Mas lalo pong gumaganda yung view, magandang pang my day. Masarap, tas madaming pagpipili ang food. Mabubusog.
Kasi maganda dito eh. Tapos malapit lang din kami, taga-Bimalay lang din kami. Kaysa sa Baywalk, Bimalay, mas maluwang kasi dito. Affordable naman. Kakainin lang dyan, picnic.
Kasi maganda yung ambience dito kasi. Pag ganitong December dito sa may silo-silo lang, saka yung carnival nila. Malinis po kasi dito, tapos yung parking area, yung mga yan. Tapos napaka-peaceful po dito. Tapos yung mga kalat, wala. Malinis.
This place becomes a kaleidoscope of cultural diversity as locals and tourists come. People mingle freely and laughter and conversations fill the salty air. Whether you want to shop, try local food, or just have a picnic with your friends and family, the Lingayen Baywalk is the perfect place.